I want you to look at your hand. You think those cells are human. You think your DNA belongs to you. But geneticists have discovered a shocking truth. About 8% of your entire genome, the code that makes you, did not come from your parents. It did not come from monkeys. It came from a virus. Millions of years ago, a plague infected our ancestors. But instead of killing them, it became part of them. It fused its genetic code with ours. And today, you're alive because of that infection. We are not just human. We are a hybrid. To understand this, we have to look at how a virus works. A retrovirus works by injecting its own RNA into a host cell's DNA. It hacks the factory to make more viruses. Usually, this kills the host. But sometimes, if the virus infects an egg or a sperm cell, the viral code gets passed down to the baby. It becomes an endogenous retrovirus, a fossil virus buried in our bloodline. Most of these are junk. They are broken code. But about 160 million years ago, a lucky accident happened. A primitive mammal, a tiny rat-like creature, got infected. The virus had a special gene called syncytin. In a virus, syncytin is used to fuse cells together to let the virus spread. It also suppresses the immune system so the host doesn't attack it. The mammal's body looked at this viral weapon and said, "Wait, I can use this." Before this moment, animals laid eggs. If a mother tried to keep a baby inside her body, her immune system would attack it. The baby has different DNA, so the mother's body treats it like a parasite or an infection. It kills it. But the viral gene changed everything. Our ancestors repurposed the syncytin gene to create a new organ, the placenta. The placenta connects the mother to the baby. It allows nutrients to flow. But crucially, it uses the virus's ability to suppress the immune system to stop the mother from attacking the fetus. The very thing that allows human pregnancy to exist is a repurposed viral infection. Without that ancient plague, humans would still be laying eggs. But the rabbit hole goes deeper. Scientists are now finding viral DNA in our brains. A gene called ARC is essential for memory. It helps neurons communicate. When they looked at ARC under a microscope, they were shocked. It looks exactly like a virus. It forms a little capsule, just like HIV, to transport information between nerve cells. It seems that our ability to think, to remember, and to learn might have been borrowed from a virus that infected us hundreds of millions of years ago. This changes our definition of human. We like to think of ourselves as pure beings. We think we are fighting a war against viruses, but we are the viruses. We are a patchwork quilt of genetic accidents. We are the survivors of a billion-year war who decided to make peace with the enemy and hire them to build our bodies. Evolution doesn't care about purity. It only cares about what works. And apparently, the best way to build a complex brain and a live-born baby was to steal the blueprints from a disease. So, the next time you get a cold or the flu, don't just hate the virus. Respect it, because a long time ago, one of its cousins decided to stop killing us and started building us instead. I am your host. Check your DNA. Subscribe.